Hi friends, welcome back to AnHi Creations. Come fabric shopping with me at Hobby Lobby today. It's Friday, August 29th, and they have some really good deals this week. Fabric is 30% off, fall fabric is 40% off, and Christmas fabric is 50% off. They usually do 30% off every other week, but right now they also have clearance fabric for as low as $2 to $5 a yard. Here's what I got. This bottle and mushroom print, only $2 a yard. I just picked up a quarter yard for 50 cents. This super cute animal print for $3 a yard. A bright yellow one for $2 a yard. Another fun print for $3 a yard. This green and yellow floral for $3 a yard. This one was just $2 a yard. A white-on-white print for $3 a yard. I even found a wide 108-inch backing for only $4 a yard. What a deal! For Christmas, I grabbed this fabric 50% off, so just $4 a yard. And these 3 canvas fabrics were marked down to $3 each from $9.99. Such a good deal. I already have some plans. This coffee canvas is going to be a cover for my coffee machine. The kitty fabric is just too cute for some placemats. And this granny square crochet print will make the perfect tote bag. Thanks so much for watching my little fabric haul. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and join me for more sewing and crafting fun. See you next time.